A lot of things have been happening this week. My washing machine is gone and also my laptop is broken. So I'm at PC World to grab a new washing machine. It's very expensive. I'm going to show you guys around to show you what is there. There is a camera I saw here that I really like as well, but I don't have the money for. Look at this lovely necklace my son made for me. They're into this loop band thing now, and he made me this. And I love it. What do you guys think about it? We might be selling it. If you want to order, call me so we can make you some of these loop bands. Come with me to PC World. I've been looking to buy a new camera, and Nathan told me that this is the best I should get for vlogging, because I was like, the one I've been holding, my vlogging camera, when you hold it sometimes it's very intimidating for people and it's just like you're in their face. I wanted to buy something that I could just sneak in without nobody knowing. So I wanted to get one of these. This is called the Iconic Style Wearable Tech Mata AI Ray-Ban vlogging camera or video camera. I have this on and press a button on the side. You would not know I'm recording. So if I want to do like my haul videos or take you to the shop, I just wear my sunglasses and walk through like this, and I can video everything that I need to video. So yeah, what do you guys think? Should I get it? We had the Echo Show before, but then we have to sell all of it because it became like a toy everybody was playing with. 1 minute Echo, 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 Alexa, and it was just doing our head in. Nobody spoke to anybody anymore. It was just Echo, Echo all the time, so we had it. But it's quite cute, I like it. This one is £89.99. I always thought about buying my daughter one of these Explorer watches. When you go into secondary school, it'd be a good idea to buy you one of those watches, because then we can see when you walk into school and when you're in class and stuff like that, so I don't have to watch it in my camera anymore. What do you think? It's a good idea? Or should we buy a security camera? Look, this one, and then you hook it on yourself like a bulletproof, and then we can see whatever you're doing. What do you think? Yes? She said yes. When she's 16 or 14, she wouldn't think the same way anymore. My friend introduced me to it about a year or a year and a half ago, and I've loved it since. I got something like this, but I don't think it's the same sort of thing. But mine has got 2 compartments like this, and it's Ninja, and it's the best thing I bought. I bought it last year on Black Friday. I think mine was from Amazon. So for Christmas, if you want to get air fryer, this one is £224.97. The air fryer. This is the one I have, and that one is £169.99. I have it in color black, so this is exactly the color I have. And so yeah, I got mine from Amazon when it was on sales. Guys, so another thing I would really like is the DJI Pocket 3. This one. And it's £619. Look at it. It tracks you, it's very small, it's not as huge as the one I've got, and it's just very convenient. My one that is broken was this one. Exactly this one is the one I had that was broken. And what came out is, I don't know what happened, but something cracked here when I was shutting it, and then it just came off. So the screen is not working anymore. I don't know how much this is here, but originally when I got it, it was about 800 or 1,000 something when I got it. I don't know how much it is, but I don't have the money. I just want to repair my old one and use it for university. That means I've lost all my files, my videos and everything that I have for YouTube. I have learned my lesson the hard way, because I have always been told to put it on a hard drive so I can be using, but I never listened. And this is what happened. I lost everything. Not to worry, Black Friday is coming. See, Black Friday is coming. We might be able to get something soon. This one is £399. One is £399 as well. And monthly payment, you're paying £16.17.
£379, 12 kilos capacity. It looks stylish as well, which is nice. So we'll fit a whole laundry load in and it's done with. It's also got a reasonably high, good energy rating.
So this is what we're here for.
Yeah.
Old one we have is this one.
It's a slightly better actually than what we have, but the energy's higher, so we waste more money.
So this is the old one, and that one was £299. So this one is £379. Go for the LG one. Before we used to have a Hoover. It's got everything we need, so this is the one we're going for. That goes on the tree here, and it all ranges from £2 to £5, £8, £4, depending on what you want to buy. They have these bubbles here. I don't know how much is in a pack, but this one is £19. It's quite huge. It's a big one, and this is absolutely beautiful. This one is £30 for decorations to go on the tree. This one is Santa on a sled, and it's £3. They've got the snowman and Santa, £6. They just got some bubbles with decorations in there, £4. So they've got different types. Isn't this cute to go on your tree? Look at it. And that is just £2. So this one is £12. That is this one. It's £12, and they've got the little mini ones, which is £4. So these bulb ones are £28, and they've got different ones. This one is 26 and 18. Yeah, and they've got some lights here as well. Everything is out for Christmas now, depending on what you want. And they've got the door arches and decorations now available, and their trees as well. This one is from the tree company, and this one, it has all the decorations you need, and that is £65. Just that arch is £10, and then they've got the hook, and that is just £8. So the one I've just shown you now is on display like this, and that's how it looks like. So we got our tree from here last year. I don't think it's exactly the same one. I'm not sure. I've forgotten it. I can't see the price on this one, but this one here, the huge one, is £250. It's 7 feet, and they got the same thing here, but this one is more a slim one, and that one is £200. And they've got the 6 feet one, which is £180, and they've got the little one, which is £75. So they've got different types. I think this is the one we have. I'm not too sure, but I think ours is something like that. And this is £150. So they've got different varieties here. They've also got these Christmas toys here. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Hello
So friends, let's start by saying thank you all for coming and always supporting. If you've come this far in the video, please do not forget to hit that subscription button and always leave a comment and keep supporting. Today, Chef Rose is in the kitchen. I am making cabbage stew with some chicken in it. So this is me washing the tomatoes and the spring onion and my green pepper. Usually I don't eat pepper, but now I have started introducing pepper to my food, and I don't use onions, I only use spring onion. My food is a bit different, but it turns out the same as everybody else and is very yummy. If you want a one-to-one cooking class with me, do not worry. I'm just a DM or an email away. Relax and watch the process of my cabbage stew. This is my cabbage stew done. Very healthy. It's got chicken and everything in it. Very, very yummy. A little bit, I'm gonna kick out. Guys, I have finished eating all that yummy food. I feel like I've got energy to speak to you all now. I hope you're all doing great. Thank you for your continuous support and love and always being there for me. I do appreciate you all, from whoever doesn't really know me personally to whoever knows me and continues supporting my dream on YouTube and being there. Guys, thank you so much. Today I'm going to be talking about how to overcome the fear of being judged on YouTube. It is very easy for us to think about the outside world and what they are thinking about us, the way we are living, the things we're doing. It doesn't matter who you are, what you do, where you are, what you have, what you don't have. People are going to judge you anyways. So you need to shift your perspective on what you want to deliver to people on YouTube. Not everybody knows you personally. Sometimes the way you might come across or the things you might be delivering might not be what brings value. However, there are people that find value in your content. They might not be a lot of people, but those people find value in whatever you're delivering. Those are the people that you're meant to keep your focus on. If you start thinking about people who don't really watch you or people who are just judgmental to your content, you're not going to get anywhere on YouTube. The next thing is developing a supportive mindset. Knowing that my videos are not going to be perfect all the time, and I am a work in progress on YouTube, and the whole YouTube community thing helps ease my anxiety on YouTube. My main focus is on the positive feedback that is being given to me, that lovely community of people that support me, come and comment nice things and lovely things under my videos. My focus is like, oh nice, I've done something, or my videos are being watched, or someone liked my video. That is the only thing I'm focusing on. I don't really care if my videos are good or not, and you shouldn't. We are all learning progress. YouTube is always changing things, and we always have to learn on this YouTube platform. Worried about being judged on YouTube, I really don't think you want to go far and get monetized. Next, you need to build confidence through preparation. This goes to me. Building confidence through preparation. That is why I do a lot of shopping videos and lifestyle videos, just normal videos like that, because I know I'm not very good at preparing. If you don't prepare your content and you're not very good at just delivering like the way I just come and deliver, it means your confidence is going to be knocked off, and you might feel like people are judging you, or you might actually get judged by people on YouTube. So please, before you come, make sure you have a format of at least what you want your videos to look like, or what you want to give out, so that you don't feel like you're all over the place and start having the feeling of being judged, or even potentially giving the people opportunity of judging you. Another way of overcoming your fear of being judged on YouTube is engaging with your audience. Trust me on this. When you have a supportive audience on YouTube, yeah, and you engage with them and they engage with you as well, you build this supportive environment of positive people only. No negative people have that opportunity of sliding through your comment, because they can see the power of positivity under your comment. So make sure you respond to any comments that is being given to you. If you have the time, if you are able to, don't ignore any comment, so you can build that connection with your YouTube community. That will stop having that feeling of being judged on YouTube and overcome all that negativity that might be brought to you. And I also want to emphasize that whatever comments they give to you, being positive or negative, do not take it personal. Make sure you take that compliment on the positive, and make sure you go back and work on the negative, because that will improve your content and also keeps your community going. Last thing I wanted to say is practice self-compassion. Guys, look, this week at university has been hectic. 3 weeks in a row, children have been sick. So you come home, you have to look after a sick child, and you've got a house to run, you've got other things happening, and you've got assignments or work or whatever, and then you come and you have the time to edit your videos, create thumbnail, and upload it. Have some compassion for yourself, have some grace for yourself, okay? And know that you're doing good. From today onwards, you do not feel like someone is judging you on YouTube. Overcome that fear of being judged on YouTube and enjoy your content, and I'm sure the people who are here to support you, who finds value in your content, will come and find you and embrace you. Thank you for watching my videos today. I appreciate you all, especially my community who is always commenting, pushing me, and being my cheerleader to keep going, because sometimes I'm like, I'm not doing YouTube ever again, but we keep going because we see the love. We might not have a lot of viewers, but we know we're going to get there. This is the end of the video. Come back again next week. Thank you so much. Bye.